So I've had this chair for a bit. I've been, using it, all that kind of stuff. It's been in videos since like February or whatever. Yeah, so this is it. I really don't have much issues with it except maybe one major problem, and that is that the only part that's leather on this whole chair is the part that goes right up against the table. And what I mean by that is, if you look over here real quick, and come over here on the side, you can see that like right here is where the like the desk would come and bump up against, and so it starts scuffing up this whole side of leather here and putting big marks in it and stuff. And that's just because as you push it in the chair, or as you push in the chair and it bumps up against the table, it starts tearing it up. And while like I appreciate that there being fox leather on here, they could have easily made it this material here, made the leather the back part here. I mean, I understand for like breathing and stuff, that's probably important, but like really, you didn't have to make this leather. You could have easily made this something else, and it probably would have lasted longer. It just feels like such a design oversight to put the leather right where it's going, the only place that it comes in contact with, a chair, like where it's going to be rubbing. And I just think that like it could have easily been made this material, and I really don't need the leather. And I don't think anyone's going to argue with you that like this is just such a bad spot to put this. I've already scuffed it up a good bit. So while the chair is awesome, and I really don't have any issues, it's very comfy. The whole chair actually is really nice. And it leans back. You've got the whole down here. You've got a whole footrest. I mean, this is also leather, by the way. So if I pull this out, this is also leather. And I mean, this is probably okay too. I mean, you're gonna have like maybe feet rubbing on that too. That might be a concern. But for the most part, like really, does it have to be leather here? Like that's like really, really frustrating that they put leather on the only part that is kind of stupid. I mean, as I said, like this is really, like also sometimes I notice too that like when you pull this out, it gets stuck a little bit, but you can like put your feet up there and then you can lean back. I mean, I haven't really taken advantage of this. I don't like, because I prefer for this to be on camera rather than like on my editing setup here. But like this is really comfy. I mean, yeah. So my only really issue with it is just that the durability on it is so questionable given the fact that like it's really bad placement for that. Headrest, like no issues. Like as I say, it's a really comfy chair. It feels really durable, like this material right here feels awesome. It's just the problem is, as I said, it's really stupid design and oversight to put that right there. I feel like it's just a really big mistake. Anyway, that's my review. I hope you enjoy. Check out the channel for other cool tech related news, reviews, videos, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.